All right, there we go. Oh no, we're looking the wrong way. Hey guys, check this out. So I had the fence guy back just now to give me an estimate for making a change to our fence because we want to extend it just a little bit. And he was saying, "Hey, e-bike's cool." And he's asking me all questions about it and stuff. And I offered if he wanted to take one for a spin. He said, "Sure." Woo! He just took off and woohoo, going down the road. So he's excited. So I thought, you know what? Let's just see what he has to say when he gets back. He'll be back in just a couple of minutes. Is that crazy fun or what?
Dude, it is awesome. Oh my god. This is so fun.
Yeah, most of the time when people test it for the first time, they're like, "What the heck? I gotta have one."
No, yeah, I loved it. My thing is, I'm surprised how quiet it was.
Yeah.
Like with electric, it's electric, obviously.
Yeah.
But that and how quick it just goes.
So
Like the acceleration.
Yeah.
Like I'm good with stuff like that. So. Like,
And that's one of the reasons why I like this brand. I mean, there are some brands that just inherently they just go a little slower. There are some brands where the motor is a little louder. I mean, they're not loud. It's just got more of a whine to it. Exactly.
Yeah,
It's a little more of a whine. But that's one of my favorites right there. That thing right there is a beast. If you want to ride that one, you can take that one at too. You got time? You want to ride a couple?
Let me see. Hang on. No, I got one out of 11, and they're. Where are we going? Bradenton. So I got to go.
Oh,
to
yeah.
the
It's
interstate,
a little bit of a
back
drive.
over, and then 70. But yeah, no, these are awesome. I love this.
Yeah.
These are wonderful.
Yeah, they're a lot of fun. I mean, they come in different styles. Like this is a cargo style. And so you can put like a child seat here and contain your kid, or that comes off and you can put a big basket on it and, you know.
If you need to run to the grocery store for
Exactly, for a grocery store. It comes with footboards. I only have one on there right now. I'm kind of playing with it a little bit. Some of them have 2 batteries. That one has 2 motors. It's got a motor on both wheels. So it's
that's nice.
really good for climbing hills and stuff off-road.
Yeah.
This one is a dual suspension, so you have a suspension in the rear.
Uh-huh.
So I got a couple like that. I've got trikes for the older generation,
Yeah.
which are really cool. Those
Yeah.
are a lot of fun. So just, yeah, crazy stuff, man.
I'm surprised at how many, like how much is blown up past year, which is awesome.
Yeah.
Which makes so much sense.
Yeah.
Rather than just.
Well, you know, and here's the thing. When I first got into it, I got into it in November of over a year ago. And it was like, I got it just because I wanted to be able to get outside more and do other things. And then it was like, quickly I realized how much I could use it just running down to Publix, running down to the...
Oh, I know, right?
Running down to the restaurant to grab some food to go or whatever. And so I started using it. I started my channel and started, making videos about it. And then the channel started growing, and then people started, companies started contacting me saying, "Hey, we'd like to send you a bike." Sure, send them.
Now you're.
And this isn't all of them. Last year I had 28 bikes.
Holy crap!
28 bikes last year.
So what do you do with the?
I sell them off.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
13 or something.
14.
14.
Yeah.
I sell them off periodically, just to get them going because I don't have the space.
I mean, yeah, this is 14 and it's full. I couldn't imagine the 28.
Yeah. Yep, I got 3 I'm selling right now. I got 3 over there that's I'm getting ready to post on Facebook today. So.
Okay. Cool.
Just to get them out of here because I got another trike being delivered. I got 3 trikes coming in by the end of the month.
Wow.
And one bike for sure, possibly 2 bikes by the end of the month.
Goodness, man.
It's just going to be a busy year.
I mean, yeah, and I don't know. And we have. So is this like your main gig now?
Yeah, this is my. I'm retired from the military, so this is just what I do now.
Oh, okay, cool.
So I do this for fun, and then I make money when I sell the bike. You know.
Yeah, and then you
so-
have your pension or whatever from
Exactly.
The, yeah, so you're set.
Yep.
God, that's cool. Well, Richard,
Hey.
I'll probably talk to you again soon.
All right. Sounds good.
Obviously, we have your email and everything, so I'll send everything over to you.
Sounds good, man. Appreciate it.
Of course.
That was fun. I like talking to people. Hey, I'm over here. Woo-hoo. Oh, it lost me. It lost me. Does it not rotate all the way around? Oh, does it stop right there? Oh, it stops. It doesn't go all the way around. So I went, see, I had to rotate it back that direction. That's crazy. Hey, let's see if my computer's ready.